This fucking area right here.
Oh, you want to subscribe. I know you want to subscribe.
I'm telling you, you might blow your fucking arm off.
All in your mind, I'm all in.
Alright here folks, today I'll show you a little trick here, okay? Now I know we have the backing gauge where you have your holster, you know, you got your gun in your holster. I actually don't have mine on today, but just to tell you, you have it in your holster and you draw out like that, right? I mean, you ain't got to have your hand out like this, but whatever makes you feel good. In other words, you're completely go through a 180-degree turn, right? Now, y'all seen me do that on my freaking channel multiple times. Now, if the person is not exactly at the 180 and he's more like on to this side, see this side, and you can't do like a freaking 360 damn near it, or what would that be? I'm not too good at math, but you get the point. What, 3/4 of a goddamn 360, whatever that is. So let me show you how you remediate that, okay? You can't, for instance, you're here, and you know, okay, you want to do this, but you already know it's more over here because you hear it more over here, right? So, what do you do? Think about that. I'm trying to get your wheels turning here, goddammit. So, here he is. I'm hearing it. You know, this is up close to it. And I'm going to show you something. And you always got to make sure to be careful doing this, because I'm telling you, you might blow your fucking arm off. Okay, you can't whip around. Now you can do it this close too, but if he's too far, if he's at the right distance, you might as well just do this. Or reverse out completely. Right? Or reverse nil. Right? Right? So, here's what you do with this. Okay? A little bit closer situation. Now you won't have his fucking bag on, so let me kind of just tuck it so it don't get in my way. Alright, so you're right here, you're like, man, you know, you're like, what did I hear? See that right there? That's how you fix that. You seen what I've done? I'll play it in slow motion and you'll get the point. Thanks for watching.
What is